Hi everyone, hope you were all having a good week. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my favorite aesthetic things. This video is also a collab with Jay. We have become really good YouTube friends and I'm honestly obsessed with her channel. You can really see that she puts the effort into her videos and she made a similar video like this on her channel, so I will link her video down below. Definitely check her out and send some love. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. My first favorite is backpacks. I own multiple backpacks, but my favorite one is this Fjallraven Kanken. It's not a real one, it's actually a fake. But it's still really good quality and I really like it. It has like this dark blue kind of color and it perfectly matches my aesthetic in the wintertime and in the summertime. And I take this to school every single day. And since it's summertime again, I'm also using my yellow backpack. This one is really bright and it perfectly matches my summer aesthetic. And I just think it's really cute. Next up, I have shoes. The people who have known me for a very long time know that I love all-stars, but my all-stars are actually kind of broke. So I recently got myself some new Vans, which I am obsessed with. These match with literally everything. And I just like the look of it, and even though they're very basic, I think they're really cute. Of telling you how I feel, maybe. I'm also obsessing over my new mirror. This is a rose gold eye-shaped mirror and this perfectly fits the boho aesthetic in my room, and I like to look at myself in this mirror and I record my Snapchats in this mirror while I'm dancing to really weird music. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I am obsessed with these fake sunflowers. They are so cute. They're my favorite decor piece right now in my room. And I use them for videos, pictures, and I think they're so aesthetic. Next we have a clothing favorite. I've been owning this top since December 2017 and for some reason I don't wear it a lot, but recently I started wearing it again and I fell in love with this top. It's so cute. It has all the zodiac signs on it and as you know, that's like my style. I love zodiac signs, I love stars and moons and everything related. I also really love this t-shirt that my mom got for me recently. As I said, I love suns and moons and I love to combine this with my favorite mom jeans. I think it's a very basic outfit, but I really like it, and I'm also gonna be trying to do a lookbook very soon. One of the most aesthetic accessories I own is this watch. It's a really simple classic watch that I found at a thrift store when I went thrifting last summer, and I wear this every single day. I cannot go outside without it because I just need my watch. One of my new favorite activities is going into the woods. I have a little wooded area near my house and I like to come there with my best friend Esmee. And recently we have been recording some videos there and some covers for her YouTube channel. I will link her channel down below as well. Little shout out to Esmee. And yeah, we just like to hang out there and we're planning on going on a picnic there and just hang out there because it's really quiet and it's just really like you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere, but really it's just a 5-minute walk from my home and I like to go there and just be creative and have my little escape moments throughout the week. If you are a OG Tumblr girl, you will probably know the book Milk and Honey. I don't have Milk and Honey, but I do have Milk and Vine, which is basically the same book, but instead of poems, it's filled with vines, which I think is really funny because I used to watch a lot of Vine compilations back in the day, and I used to love Vine, so I think this cover is just really pretty as room decor or to use in pictures, and I think it's really aesthetic and also really fun if you want something different. Also, my latest obsession is making Instagram collages. I don't know why, I just started doing it one day and I've become addicted to making a collage of my day every single day because I take a lot of pictures every day, but I don't post pictures on my Instagram every day. So sometimes I like to just make a little collage of my day, make it really aesthetic, and for this I just use PixArt. If you guys want a tutorial on this, just let me know down in the comments because I would love to do a tutorial on how I make my collages. I feel like I'm getting better at these collages every single day actually, and yeah, I just love doing it. It's actually like my obsession, as I said.